everyone, it's Madeline. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm so excited because I have a new lighting setup and I love it. And also a new background for you guys. It's the corner of my bedroom. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you go to help my channel grow. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Today I wanted to film this like cool tone, soft, a little bit sultry makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So I'm sure you guys can already guess what's on my skin already. We have the Kors Pomegranate Cream Gel Moisturizer and the Kanan Austin Mattifying Primer. The Huge. For foundation today, I want to use the Dior Backstage because I haven't used this in so long. Plus, I just did my self-tanner last night, so this should match perfectly. To blend out my foundation, I'm going in with my Miss A sponge, which is amazing. If you watched my Valentine's Day tutorial, you saw how much I raved about this sponge. I will have this linked in the description box below if you're interested. This sponge is 100 times better than the Beauty Blender and it's $1.55. Wow, that matches my self-tan perfectly. I need to start wearing this more the day after I self-tan. I'm so excited about the concealer that I'm using today. I finally ordered the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Mine is in the shade Light 14. I've used this the last few days and it is really, really good so far, you guys. Looks super good with this foundation too. I just love that it's such a soft matte finish of a concealer instead of it being super overly drying or really heavy. It's nice and lightweight and just the perfect amount of matte. It does oxidize just a little bit. I'm sure that for my usual shade when I'm like running out of self-tan on my skin, I could have like a shade or two lighter than this. I think that concealer is perfect and I should have tried it a long time ago. So now I'm going to set all of my face products with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder. Mine is in, mine is in the shade 02 Nude. So this is the only powder that has actually matched my expectation of a powder for my oily skin, other than the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, whatever. I've been obsessed with that for so long, and then, I don't know, something just intrigued me about this when I was at Walmart, and I was like, I should give it a try. If I don't like it, I can always take it back, whatever. I love it. So this is what I'm gonna be using today. It makes my skin look so stinking smooth and it actually controls my oils really well. So just the fact that it's Milani, it's affordable, and it works as good as I want it to, I'm in love, so obsessed. I don't know if you guys can tell how good and smooth this powder makes my skin look, but I hope you can. For contour, I'm also going in with my usual. This is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. These two shades right here. For bronzer, yet again, another new Milani favorite. This is her Silky Matte Bronzer in 02 Sunkissed. For blush, I'm using Milani's Romantic Rose, another gorgeous product of theirs. For highlight, I'm sure you guys can already guess, I'm going in with Jaclyn's Flash Palette and her High Volt Loose Highlighter. For eyebrows, I'm using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown. Now it's time for eyes. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna be using the Milani Soft and Sultry eyeshadow palette. Found this at TJ Maxx for $4.99. I'm gonna first take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna set my whole lid with this. Now to blend in my crease, I'm gonna be taking this middle shade right here. I'm also just buffing this underneath my eyes. Now I'll be blending this shade right here, also in my crease. To darken things up, I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I'm also going to buff this shade underneath my eyes as well. I'm going in with this shade now. Now with my finger, I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here. I'm gonna pat this pretty much on the entire lid. So this is what that looks like now. I'm popping in this middle shade now. Also with my finger, I'm just gonna be keeping this like in the inner part of my eye. Now I'm gonna make some wings with eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with the black shade here. With Jaclyn's High Volt Loose Highlighter, I'm just going to take a little bit in my inner corners and then underneath my eyebrows. For my waterline, I'm going in with my Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Swerve. I'm just going to do a quick coat of the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and then we will move on to lashes. So mascara's on. Now for lashes, I've been loving these so much, so here I go using them again. These are Lilly lashes in the style Doha. These are just the perfect little yet dramatic lashes. So I just applied the glue. Now I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds before popping this on my eye. So now I am holding the lash in the middle, and I'm gonna be looking down into my mirror and just pop on this right on here. So I'm taking my tweezers and just pushing down the corners. There we go. So now I'm just going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now for lips, we're gonna wrap this up real quick here. I'm just gonna be prepping them with the Versed Silk Slip. Why is that so hard for me to say? Conditioning lip oil. I have been loving this stuff. Then today I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 1, the Morphe Mega Matte Lipstick in the shade Bare All, and the Dose of Colors Lip Gloss in Can You Nuts. Okay guys, so that completes this look. I love the way it turned out, but most importantly, I hope that you love the way it turned out. So if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Oh shoot, I totally forgot to use setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, there we go. Bye guys.